I just put the I just get some out the meat, and then I add and the juice I add in here in the soup, and I add the other leftover. I remove some other pork that I don't want to mix into the soup. And then so now I'm mixing all of them now, guys. But you can cut to the vegetable, but sometimes I'm in the mood, I don't cut it. But just be careful, guys, because sometimes you get choked into it, because this thing. So you don't need to copy my thing if you don't wanna, big one. But sometimes I'm in the mood of like big leaves, so that's why I do this. But usually you can cut it if you want. But I just like the look when I do the video, the big leaves. So I'm warming up the rice right now, and I'm gonna eat some soup. I'm already so hungry. It's already 10 o'clock, guys, and I need to eat. Oh my god. Anyway, this one needs to be painted yet, and over there needs to be painted. Kitchen. So it's a messy kitchen because I'm cooking. Anyway. 10 o'clock already. I'm eating. I get hungry, guys. Because I defrost the meat, so I need to cook it. So you don't wanna, you know. Woo. I just put medium because I wanna boil it fast. But I just like low, high, and I like medium heat, and then I'm just gonna open it now. Then I rest the rice in the bowl. So I have my rice, guys. I just use this also use this So I'm just gonna use those yellow um,